Hi, I'm Tyler with Microsoft, and today we're going to be looking at the brand new Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. Surface Laptop is known for its sleek modular designs, unique color options and finishes, and premium build quality. As you might imagine, there's a ton of new and exciting features to explore with the Surface Laptop 4. Let's take a look. The Surface Laptop 4 comes in two unique sizes, 13.5-inch and 15-inch. The 13.5-inch model is perfect for both productivity and portability and is available in platinum, matte black, sandstone, and this brand new ice blue color option. The 15-inch is available in either platinum or matte black and provides the best streaming, split screen, and multitasking experience of the two devices. The first thing you notice when taking Surface Laptop 4 out of the box is just how slim and sleek it is. Starting at just under 3 pounds, this is one of the lightest Windows devices available. With Surface Laptop 4, you can also connect easily with both USB-A and USB-C inputs, a standard headphone jack, and a Surface Connect port, which provides up to an 80% charge in about an hour. As mentioned, this gorgeous ice blue aluminum finish is just one of several color options that are available depending on your preferred specifications and size. The Surface Laptop lineup has always had bold color palettes that allow you to express yourself by making the device your own, and the Laptop 4 is no exception. As we peek under the proverbial hood, you'll notice that Surface Laptop 4 has an invisible hinge that you can open with one finger. The warm, tone-on-tone Alcantara keyboard finish is another immediately recognizable and iconic design element of Surface Laptop 4. Depending on your specific style preferences, you can also choose a cool metal palm rest in the sandstone and matte black 13.5-inch form factor and in the platinum and matte black 15-inch size. The vibrant PixelSense touchscreen display lets you perfectly capture your ideas with an optional Surface Pen, which is sold separately, or scroll and zoom on web pages and documents naturally with just your finger. It's not just cosmetics that make the Surface Laptop 4 such a standout device. Both the 13.5-inch and 15-inch options have the power to do what you want, with more speed and multitasking power than before. And a choice of 11th gen Intel Core processors or exclusive AMD Ryzen Microsoft Surface Edition processors. Surface Laptop 4 also has Omnisonic speakers that deliver immersive Dolby Atmos audio for when you watch movies or stream your favorite shows. Because so many of us are spending more and more time on virtual calls, whether it be for work or to stay connected to loved ones, Surface Laptop 4 comes equipped with powerful dual far-field studio mics and a front-facing 720p HD camera, which means you'll be seen and heard clearly. And there you have it, the brand new Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. With its choice of powerful new processor options, unique color and size configurations, immersive Dolby Atmos audio, and a brilliant PixelSense touchscreen display, it's a device that's instantly iconic, stylish, and uniquely original. I think you're going to love it.